Hey there! Are you tired of bulky, expensive washing machines taking up all your space? What if I told you there's a way to do your laundry faster, cheaper, and more efficiently? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 portable washing machines of 2025, and trust me, the number 1 pick will blow your mind. Stick around because you won't believe what these machines can do. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic feet with 5 cycles. I was annoyed at first because the included attachment didn't fit my oddly shaped bathroom faucet. I ended up buying an adapter kit, which didn't fit either, but eventually I figured out that combining 3 of the adapters worked perfectly with my shower hose. It takes a minute to set up, and I let it drain into the shower tub, but it works great since there's already a lint trap there. If you don't have a lint trap, this could get tricky, so if you do it this way, I recommend getting one. I know this isn't your typical washer, but seriously, I'm amazed how well this thing cleans my clothes. I've had it for just over a month now and I loved it so much, I ended up getting the Panda dryer to go with it. While I can't fit everything in one go, it's still a breeze compared to dragging my laundry to the laundromat and shelling out $15 to $30 weekly. Number 2. Auertech 18 pounds washing plus 10 pounds spinning. This new one is mainly plastic, but because it has a weird design where the water inlet connects to the faucet, I ended up having to create my own contraption using zip ties, although it's still better than the last model. Honestly, these machines feel more like a kid's toy than an actual appliance for adults. Still, it beats washing clothes by hand. After adding a piece of fabric to the lint catcher, it started actually working. But I still wouldn't drain this stuff into my home plumbing, but if you do, I'd recommend keeping a close eye on it to avoid clogging your drains. On the pro side, it's pretty easy to move around and I can keep it on my cooler for quick access. Though it still requires some effort, it's preferable over having to go elsewhere to do my laundry. Oh, and the small round plastic piece that sits on the clothes in the spinner is pretty much useless. At least this one fits inside the spinner, unlike the first one I bought. Number 3. COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet with 6 wash programs. Yep. It hooks to the kitchen sink. It includes a connector that attaches to the faucet to create an adapter for the sink. It has hot and cold hoses for water, and you can even use the bathroom sink, too. Control panel was easy to read, and nope, doesn't leak as long as you make sure it's secured. It spins great, but it's not loud, an awesome benefit. Overall, it took about 45 minutes for a larger load of laundry and 15 to 30 for a smaller load. It weighs about 75 pounds, but it comes with handles to help move it. Mine didn't come with wheels, but it's really not hard to move. To give you an idea of size, it's about as tall and wide as a typical kitchen counter. Inside is stainless steel, but there's like a cover over the top so you can't really see your clothes inside, especially if you're using hot water, as it steams the lid. A nice perk though? You can throw more clothes in whenever you want without it stopping. Number 4. Giantex 12 pounds washing plus 8 pounds spinning. This way you don't have to keep bending over, and you can just rinse it afterwards to get the soap out. I'd recommend putting less in than you think you should, just to stay on the safe side. If your clothes aren't swirling around, then you probably have too much in. You can even spin it and wash it together. If you fill it too much, it's going to end up draining, so just keep that in mind. It sounds like an AC unit and you'll get some vibrations, more so if it's unstable. I usually keep the water inside and then just top it off with hot water. It can look dirty, but once I add soap, it's just cleaning it either way. Honestly, my whites are brighter from this than at the laundromat. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 1.7 cubic feet with 6 cycles. Then there are those who argue that this product sucked because of the spinner. They added photos of their clothes wrapped around and tied up, saying that the spin cycle was too fast. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that they overloaded the machine. You can't fill it all the way. It has to stay at 3/4, otherwise this happens and it can leak. Again, this is all in the instructions that come with the machine. I've done a dozen loads so far, 2 of them really large, and none of this is happening to me. I promise I'll update if that's the case, but I doubt that's gonna happen. They also said that it lacked parts. No. It didn't. It came with everything you need to connect and adapt it to the sink. I think a lot of these people were annoyed about shipping issues, but that's what happens when you buy from a third party. If you buy directly from Amazon, guess what? Any shipping issues, and they'll replace it. Mine came in great condition. So, which one of these portable washing machines are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing gadgets and reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay clean and stay awesome.